Alright, before this we have done a study about differentiation. Y equals to 2x squared plus 3, or y equals to cos x, or y equals to 3x squared plus 2x plus 5. So we can differentiate this one. Okay, basic concept. Okay, but how to differentiate when y square equals to x power 3, or y cube equals to xy plus y square. Can you see the difference here? Can you see the difference? How to differentiate this one? Compare this one. This one we can differentiate. Okay, y prime equals to 4x. This one we can differentiate y prime equals to negative sine x. And then this one we can differentiate y equals to 6x plus 2. Right? Okay, so how to differentiate this one? What is the difference between these two parts? Okay, the difference is this is y with power 1. Okay, y power 1. But this one y square, this one y cube, and then we have a combination with variable x and y here. Okay, and then we have a variable y also, y power 2. How to differentiate this one? Okay, so we need to use implicit function technique. Okay, implicit function technique. So look at 1.5, differentiation of implicit function. Okay, so look at example 1.1. Example 1.1, we need to differentiate y cube equals to x square. Okay, so we need to find the dy dx. Okay, we need to find the dy dx. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, kalau baca soalan tu, dia punya step 1 dia tu kat sini. Okay, differentiate both side of the equation with respect to x. Okay, soalan kat sini boleh nampak dah. Kalau tengok pada notes awak, with respect to WRT, that means with respect to x. Okay, so we need to differentiate. Okay, we need to find the dy dx. So how to differentiate y power cube? Okay, so differentiate macam biasa, y power cube, that means 3y square, right? But anytime when you differentiate variable y, you need to add dy over dx. Okay, I repeat. Okay, differentiate y cube macam biasa. Okay, usually you differentiate 3y square. Okay, y cube, that means 3y square. But anytime when you differentiate y, you need to add dy over dx with multiplication concept, times here. Okay, why? Because we need to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, but now you differentiate with y, with variable y. So you need to add dy over dx. This is the concept here. Okay, concept implicit function. Okay, and then equal, okay, differentiate x square. You get 2x. Perlu tambah dy dx tak? No need. Because this is variable x. Okay, we have done in differentiate with respect to x. So no need to add dy dx. Okay, only variable y. Okay, and then we need dy dx. Okay, soalan minta find dy dx. So dy dx kita kekalkan dia, dy over dx. And then 3y square, this is concept multiplication. Okay, so when you move it to the right side, it becomes division. Okay, that means 2x over 3y square. So this is the answer. Dy dx is 2x over 3y square. Okay, you faham now? This is concept implicit function. Right, look at example 1.12. Example 1.12, okay, y plus x, y equals to 2x. Okay, and then we need to find dy over dx. Okay, find dy over dx. So, how to differentiate this one? Okay, differentiate y, you get 1. Okay, differentiate y, we get 1, and then you need to add dy over dx. Okay, it is variable y, so you need to add dy over dx. Okay, and then plus xy. So, this is a combination variable x and y. So, we cannot simplify the basic differentiation. Okay, you need to use concept product rule. Differentiate, use product rule. Okay, we let as this one is u y plus x, y equals to 2x. Okay, so differentiate y, we got 1 dy over dx. So differentiate xy. Okay, this is multiplication. Okay, so you need to differentiate, use product rule. We let as this one is u, y is v. Okay, ingat lagi tak konsep product rule? Differentiate, use product rule. Okay, so the formula product rule apa dia? vu prime plus uv prime. Okay, boleh nampak dah formula dia? vu prime plus uv prime. So, v is y. Ni plus plus. V is y. Okay, look at the formula. V is y. And then u prime, that means you need to differentiate u. Differentiate x, you get 1 here. Okay, and then plus, there is a plus here. U v prime. U is x. And then v prime, you need to differentiate y. Okay, differentiate y, we get 1. But you need to add dy over dx because it is variable y. Okay, and then equal, differentiate 2x. Okay, differentiate 2x, you get 2. Okay, bila awak nak differentiate, memang ke semua sekali awak kena differentiate. Okay, okay, d dx. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so differentiate 2x, you get 2 here. And then, combinekan dia. Soalan minta dy over dx. Okay, dy over dx. So, this is dy dx. This is x times dy dx. So, dy over dx plus here x times dy dx. So, x dy over dx. Okay, so y. Okay, yang mana yang tak ada dy dx? If there are no dy dx here, you need to move it to the right side. Okay, that means 2. This is positive. Okay, move it to the right side, it will become negative y. Okay, and then what? We need to find dy dx. So, this one, sini ada dy dx, sini pun ada dy dx. Awak kena, you need to factorize. Awak kena faktorkan dia. Dy over dx, it is equal, no sorry, not equal. 1 plus x equals to 2 minus y. Okay, dy dx times 1, you get dy dx. Dy dx times x, you get x dy dx. Is it correct? Okay, dia faham now? And then, we need dy dx. So, dy dx, it is equal 2 minus 1. This is concept multiplication. Okay, ada kurungan ni, concept multiplication. And then move it to the right side, it will become division. So, 2 minus y divided by 1 plus x. This is the answer. Okay, you faham now? Concept implicit function. Alright. Okay, look at example 1.13. Example 1.13. Okay, look at the equation. The equation y plus ln y equals to x squared defines y implicitly as a function of x where y more than 0. And then, find dy dx in terms of x and y, and find dy dx at the point negative 1 and 1. Okay, negative 1 and 1. So, we need to find, this is equation y plus ln y equals to x square. And then we need to find dy dx, okay, with at the point what? At the point -1, 1. Okay, this is the equation that we need to answer. Okay, we need to find. So we need to differentiate first. Differentiate y, we get 1. You need to add dy dx. Okay. And then plus, differentiate ln y. Y equals to ln x. Differentiate ln x, we get 1 over x. So, differentiate ln y, we get 1 over y. Add dy over dx. Okay. Dia nampak tak? And then, differentiate x square, we get 2x. Alright. And then combine dy dx ni, factorize kan dia. Okay, dy over dx 1 plus 1 over y equals to 2x. Okay, ni nampak tak? Dy dx times 1, you get dy dx. Dy dx times 1 over y, so 1 over y dy dx. Okay, and then what? Dy dx, we need to find dy dx first. So, dy dx equals 2x. Okay, this one, concept multiplication, move it to the right side, it will become division concept. So, 1 plus 1 over y. Okay, so this one, okay, simplify kan dia. That means samakan bawah. This one, 1 ni, it is over 1 actually. Okay, so samakan bawah. Nak samakan bawah, this one kita darab dengan y. This one pun darab dengan y. Okay, nak samakan pembawah. Okay, we need to simplify. Okay, kita tak nak dalam bentuk macam ni. So, samakan bawah dulu. So, y plus 1 over y. Is it correct? Okay, this is 1. 1 is actually 1 over 1. Okay, so 1 times y, we get y. So 1 times y, we get y. Y plus 1 over y. Okay, samakan pembawah dia macam ni. Okay, and then what? 2x. Okay, this is concept division. Divide y plus 1 over y. We need to simplify this first. Okay, because we have 2 division here. So, what you need to do is, okay, this is concept division, right? So, dy over dx, it is equal 2x divided by y plus 1 over y. Okay, disebabkan konsep bahagi. So, konsep bahagi macam ni, we cannot solve like this. So, we need to change from division, change to multiplication concept. 2x times, bila dah tukar kepada darab, okay, this one, yang bawah, bawa naik atas. Yang kat atas, bawa turun bawah. Terbalikkan dia. Okay, y over y plus 1. Okay, bila dah tukar kepada multiplication concept, you need to change. Okay, the denominator and numerator. Okay, yang bawah duduk atas, yang atas duduk bawah. So, 2x times y, 2xy over y plus 1. Okay, kalau dah tengok tak boleh nak simplify dah, then masukkan nilai. -1, 1. Okay, because we need to differentiate. Okay, kalau tengok pada soalan, differentiate dy dx at the point -1, 1. So, we know that -1, 1, this is x, this is y, right? So, you need to substitute. Okay, dy over dx when at the point -1, 1. So, substitute the value x, y there. 2 when x is -1 and then y is 1 over 1 plus 1. And then you need to solve. -1 times 2, you get -2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, -2 divided by 2 equals to negative 1. So this is the answer. Alright, boleh faham dah? Okay, you need to differentiate using implicit function and then masukkan nilai point dia, x, y dia ni. Okay, after differentiate. Alright, kalau tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp, okay?